everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Well, I got something going on there. Playing in the Mojo room. Got it. It was playing in the background in the Mojo room. So we got some nice trading going on. In a little bit of you guys right here that we're trading. Got some of it right up there at 20. And just been trading this up and down, which is this you guys. You could see we took a dumping down here. We took the first trade up here, and now we're in it again. Going to head up again. Got a little bit of that. Sell at 38, sold at 38. Sold there again, 1,000 left. If we can go to 59. I made a nice little move there just as the show was starting. That's why it was late, because I was calling out to the room them trades as we watched. Oh yeah, nice trading there, Batman. As we watched you guys, he's making some ching. And there's Apple, guys, 260.16. I mentioned this the other day when I brought up Jason on his webinar. He's getting rocked. This were his trades right here during his webinar. He had in front of 1,887 people right here. Jason Bond. He was taking these trades, showing everyone how to do it. At the time, Apple was about $245 a share, under $250 at Mini Hines. He was doing the 255 calls. Sell to open 50 of them for a net credit there, and then selling to open these and buying to open these. And the only way he can lose, and he would lose considerable, not make nothing, he'd lose money on it, is if it went to 260. And if this one right here, Tesla, the 317 puts, he's thinking it's going lower than 317. So let's take a look at both of those stocks now. And we won't hear nothing about that. So Damon John and the strategy ain't working too well. What are you going to tell the people now when it's at 260? And instead of Tesla being down at 310, it's 341. What's going to happen there? You know what I'm saying? So you guys, nice 18, taking another dip down right here on that you guys. Let's see if it comes down again. But these are the positions that he had, and we won't hear nothing about that. So that ain't too good of a strategy. The weeks are flying. I got a little subscribe button down there. You see that, folks? 2.8 thousand subscribers. Be one of my new subscribers, please. Come on now. And we got 216.15 and ka-chinging on you guys. There goes you guys, 32. There goes you guys, 32. Only up 130 in you guys right now. 33 by 34. 31. So we traded a couple other really nice ones today. We traded DWT, some other really good ones in the room. What we got going on? We can get a poke another trade here this afternoon, and I'll show you how to adapt to change, folks. Show you how to adapt to change. Roku was the trade of the day today. So if you take a look here, Twitter did really well in Twitter today also. Twitter at 2029 at that time. Twitter went to 29.59, so it went 30 cents higher than that. And DWT, we kind of nailed towards the high of the day. So you're not going to pick the ultimate tops, you're not going to pick the ultimate bottoms, but we can get pretty close. And then Let's see here. We did Teva through 9. Great trade on Teva. And then we did Roku right here at 119 to go through 121.99. So if it did, that's a 3-point move. It went to 5 points. Watch. 120.30. 120.40. And if you don't build your dreams, someone will hire you to build theirs, folks. Absolutely. Just keep an eye on you guys if you don't mind. So it's so true, and this guy's problem is he's bull crazy. So Twitter near the high of the day did real well. Roku 121, you see it right there going through 121, 120.99, bam, 121.30, folks, 121.70, bonus, bonus. Allen's making beautiful money in the Mojo picks. And Roku goes 120.30. Watch how much it goes up right here. Everyone's got a little bit of it. Roku 123, 123.50, 124, 124 right here. See the high 124.07 goes higher. 124.08. Dow's up 255. And it goes 124.46. And hold on, I got to do something with my you guys here. Got to put a sell at 39 and 44. Sold 39. Executed sell. Good job. Right there. Selling some you guys right there. Just sold 250 at 39. 124.87 by 89. And then it goes right through 125 right there with the large ask. I'll show you back here in the Mojo room. You can see right here. Right through 125, folks. Absolutely. And then bam, right 125.21 by 29. And then we're pretty much done for the day. Goals are hit. And there's 126. It goes through that. See that? 126. Another big signal right there. I point out to the room to hold on. Here it goes. Bam, look, 126. 126.37. This is what people need to see. That I called it boom malicious at 8:49 at 120.88. And right now it's 126. See? He made a nice profit in Tesla, $115. $121 on the Tesla. Nice. Same with the Roku. Amazing with the Roku. And that was Roku. That was Roku. Here's Apple heading into... Mojo has adopted a new strategy for this market, and I did it today with Roku. I wish that said hi, Mojo, instead of mofo. You know what I'm saying? So that's a Roku. And this guy right here, the boiler room, has his worst month in 3 months. Some poor trading. So between Ross and the boiler room and these other guys, a lot of guys are having bad months. Mojo, come on over to the Mojo room and check us out. Learn the Heinz trade play. Just sold some 42, just got executed right here. Just sold 189, got 3,500 left right here. 43, 44 right now. Going to sell the 44 right there. Going to be taken. Right there. So I'll just dump a little bit. And then we got right here 1877 on you guys. Made a beautiful move. We traded it many times, as I told you. And then you have right here, intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. And what I'm doing is I'm buying right now and I'm trading the Roku kind of stocks. The Apple should have dropped 40 points in a day. It's up right now at 260, up to now. But, that kind of stock. Let's say right here we have, let's say you guys is good because it's got a nice range right now. Executed sell, right? Got 2,500 you guys. So stocks that make big moves, Roku down 16. If Lulu was up 20 points, we'd be trading it. Netflix down 30 points. This is the new intelligence, adaption. All these guys that have been up for 52 weeks in a row, 2 years in a row, finally tick, tick, tick. The big drops in them, they'll be very volatile. The shorters that are betting for it to come down will finally come in and cover. And the guys that are in retail that wanted it will come in and buy the dip, just as we saw in Roku today. So it's a great trading stock, and that's the new strategy that's going to be happening. Like we traded Uber, which has been down crazy in the last couple of days. It's easy to trade down here because, look, it's all green and everybody wants it rather than being up here. You know what I mean? That's what's going on, folks. And with the bad news on it, this is what caused it to go down. Everybody priced in right now. Anything that happens is good on it. And that's why we've been trading Uber. Same thing on Ameritrade, AMTD. If you look at Ameritrade, when it dropped down 25 points, too bad it adjusted up the next day, but this is where it adjusted down. Ever since then, look, it's straight up. Doesn't even give you a chance to get in it. Utterly ridiculous, but that's that one. CLVS is moving, guys. CLVS is ticking on the bottom of my screen. CLVS. May tick up and go right here, up a little higher. CLVS, you can see that one. You guys see that, right? CLVS. Moving right now, 432. So I was headed out to lunch, and let's just jump to the present. There you go. Ka-ching on you guys. What's it at right now? It's 33. 34. Whole thing. Was it going back up to 44.50? What else we got going on? This MDR, see MDR coming into play right here. Look, MDR on the daily. I'm going to be picking this baby up. Stock just a couple of weeks ago was 303. It's lost half of its money. PCG is Heinz and 6, guys. Let me see which way it's going, upwards or downwards. It's going downwards. So it ain't good. Here goes you guys. Come on now, 34, 35, 36. What I'm saying. 37. 40, adding on to you guys. Added on 38, 39, and 37 on you guys, back up to 4,000 shares of you guys. I like you guys here. Going to get another 1,000. And what else we got? Peloton. I hate Peloton now. 22.56. I don't like Peloton. I don't think I'm going to trade Peloton. I'm going to remove Peloton from the screen. Guys, you like what I got going on? Just subscribe to my channel down there in the bottom corner so when I go live, you get notified. It's a good thing. Look at that. PCG's moving 604, 605. Look at that spike from 597 through Heinz 6. See that? That was pretty big, man. That was pretty big. Look at Bingo, 107. How bad was Bingo today? Everybody liked Bingo this morning. I didn't like it, right? Look, there's my 500 at 32. Gotta like that. All right, what else we got going on? Anything? Look at EXPE. What is that, Expedia? EXPE. Yeah, Expedia, bro. Check it out. Oh god, yeah, this is the one I like. The ones that get crushed. Exactly, dude. Freaking on the money, Ramey. Thank you, my brother. This is our new pattern for the next couple of weeks, guys, till probably Christmas. We're going to take advantage of every one of these because intelligence adapting is going to be making big money for us. I love this stock down $35. You know what I'm saying, Ramey? We go Heinzing on the way up on the up numbers. Yep. So that would be a Heinz 100. It would go right to 104. You know what I'm saying? So at 99.90, you go long. Okay? It's 99.45. So you got 50 cents to prepare. Okay? You can prepare now. Otherwise, we go through 98 on the way back up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's it, buddy, right there. Thank you for showing that. That's on the money. That's on the money. Oh yeah, dude, that's XPE. It's going right on my watch list right here. EXPE. Thank you. I love that. See, it's coming down 99.10. Let it come down under 99, and then you catch the next one back up through 99. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. There's 99 on the bid. They may keep it here, dude. A lot of size there may not get filled. This may be a good buy. 99.02. Stopping station. You know what I'm saying? 99.07 stopping station. That's what I'm saying. Little Death Valley look too. There you go. Everyone's coming in. Their grandma, mama, papa, sister, brother. Everyone at 99.07, bro. There you go. 26, 27, 30. Beautiful. Here goes the Ugazi, 29. I got some Ugas. When I got. There's 30 on Ugas. So we'll go 35 for sale on Ugas. Right there. 32 bid. Selling 1,500 at 35. I'll cancel that. See how quickly you can cancel, folks? You just press that button right there. Isn't that cool? That's in the Mojo. Yeah, man, that's pretty good. Look at 239 at 99.70. I see that, dude. Yeah, looks pretty good off the 99.07. Now you got a nice run back up. We caught the bottom off that 1 minute. May head right back up to 100. 99.79. There's a 267, Ramey. A 267 at 99.79. You're like a master magician out of the hat. And that's the ad through at 99.79 in anticipation to go through that. You could see it right here, guys. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful? So beautiful, dude. That's like a power move for 3 points. We'll nail that sucker. You guys should on YouTube also. That's EXPE, bros. At 99.20, 99.30, 99.50. There's a signal at 99.79, a 267 signal right there. That's bullish. Better ask somebody how it plays. You know what I'm saying? Better ask somebody how it plays. I'll just put that in on that YouTube. Let them guys experience the power. There's the signal right there. 99.79 at 267. He's sitting right there. Eventually, it's going to go through that because he didn't drop it down on the bid to 40 and put his size down here and drive it lower. It's a NITSO, no intention to sell offer, it's called. It's called a NITSO. If you've never heard of that, Google it. NITSO. Right here. Look. It's called a NITSO. Look, a NITSO in stocks. Right here. It's a NITSO. NITSO. Right here. See? This guy's got one. Reading level 2. Oh, there's Ross. Hi, Ross. I click on you. That'll cost you 25 cents. Ross. He's everywhere, man. So you got Nitsa. Control F does a search on a page, and then you can just press in Nitsa right there. No intention to buy bid or sell offer. Regularly, it's done keeping in mind the end goal is to entice dealers to move the other way as they're attempting to undermine the enormous size to get in or front run the size. In this case, a player needs shares at 590 while the market. I should write something like this. This is a good article. I'm gonna put that in my notes. See, it went through 99.70. Where was the 99.79 was the signal, right? Now it's gone. Now it's gone, guys. See that? They went right through that. And they traded up to 99.70s on the ask through the time and sales. So I'm going to write one on that. That's a Nitso. Because I teach it in MOJO University, man. So I teach that for the students. Let me show you. As it goes through 100 right now, guys. So here's the Nitso learning board right here. 99.83, 99.90. 99.93 right here. Here it is, 99.90. 100, cresting 100. Told you guys. Told you. So there you go. That's right there. And then you got right here the Nitso, which I teach, which is the no intention to sell offer, which this guy has it right here on this one stock, Puma Technology, sitting at 72.80 with 100. He's on the bid buying. You could see him right here. I teach it here. He's on the bid buying. Then all of a sudden, from 14.30 to half hour later, it's 3-4 points higher. See that? Just like this one's going through 100 now. Going through 100. Sweet trade, man. Sweet trade. See that? Going through 100 on 99.80. Signal at 99.80 right there, 31. See it? He moved to 99.77. Beautiful. we got? What do we got? Alrighty. Halloween's over. Guess I can leave that up there. Anything on the news? Well, let me tell you, you just got to adapt to change. We're going to start looking at the largest losers now. Instead of the gainers column, the losers column. And take the biggest losers like that EXPE that my boy just found right there. And that's what we're going to stay on. Because really, to tell you, Veronica, the news lady right there, that's her name. That's got to be the intelligent thing to do, to adapt to change. When you adapt to change, you could start to stay one step ahead of the curve. And if you could see this forest through the trees, the light at the end of the tunnel, the green, the curve on the green when you putt, like see the things in the market nobody else sees. It's that's the team I want to be on. I mean, I'm going into battle behind, you get a whole team. You got that leader out there, dude. He's like on the forefront with the bat. He sees things over the horizon and the marshes and you don't see, Veronica. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do in the market. So I help out the team. That's what I got going on. And everybody should subscribe to my channel. You do that, Veronica, by see underneath your arm right there in that bottom left-hand corner. Just subscribe down there. That's what we do. Right down there. Going on, everybody. Did you see Veronica? Yeah, she's cool. She's cool. 99.80 now on EXPE, Ramey. We're going to have a crest of a crestorial cresting of the crest. Is that even a word, phrase, or terminology? Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah! Put the mic on in the room so you guys can hear me. I thought the mic was on. So we got 99.80, Ramey. We got a little crest of the mest signal at 113 sitting there. Not big, but enough to power through, if you know what I'm saying. If you know what I mean, how to do it, and know what I'm talking about and looking for in the level 2. 99.90 in the level 2, Ramey Stones. Ramey. What I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So what else we got going on? Let's look down the top. BCom. What the hell is B Communications at 173 by 78? Doesn't even have a chart pattern today. Anyone trading that? Sorry. Call the alerts. Damn, you got screwed. Call. Anyone trade that one? 2.6 million. That one's all right, but it just got crushed because it's a gainer. DXCM gainer. Oh, QTRX. Whoa. Bingo. Jam. Angie Ram. Dude, these stocks suck. Let's look at the losers, dude. Tops. Nothing. I hate you, Tops. ALNA. Ugh. $2 stock down. Give me a $28 stock down, $30. I like that better. Like EXPE. 99. 99.90. 100 right there. Gonna go through like a champion. Yes. You know what I'm saying, kid? Let's see what I got going on. Dude, every time I play a song, they will block my stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I got to play like background music and stuff. Or they block me. There we go, guys. 100. Close your eyes and open them. It's right through. Here you go. Close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look at the size at 100. I'll ask 1,000 traders, would you buy here? They would all say no. Every one of them would say no. It already went through. Told you. Told you. 133, 150 on the blow. Shows you how much Mojo knows right there. How did Mojo know that that big bar was going to happen right there like that? How did Mojo know, guys? How did Mojo know that big bar was going to blow through like that? How did Mojo know that? See, that's why you got to trade with the Mojo right there. See, how did Mojo know that, guys? See? EXPE, guys. See? 120. See, guys? No other people do that on their show, man. They'll just show you what's going on. They ain't going to tell you how to trade. They ain't going to put the money in your pocket so you could see the results, man. Telling you, dudes. The shizzle dizzle, dude. Dude, send me a car. Give me a car, dude. Let me show you how to adapt to some change. Send me over a car. I'm a mechanic. All right, send it over. What is the car? Oh, there, it's EXPE. All right, let me look under the hood. Throw up that level too. Oh, dude. I could see the cylinders on the left, dude. They're chippy chappy. It's going lower. Oh, dude. Chippy chomp ass. Big old ass. Carburation combustion on the right side, dude. Gonna go higher. It's gonna do the 0 to 60 real fast. Let's jump in and chomp on it. That's how I know. Gotta look under the hood, man. Look at that thing, dude. I got traders trading like 17 different accounts, man. They trade in the morning, they make money on one. They trade lunchtime, they make money on the other. My afternoon session, they're continuing. It's like incredible, dude. I'm going to be expanding the Mojo streaming horizon, brother. Some new things going out. Do you guys see that stuff on TV? Where they get to pick the streamer and he plays his game on TV? You guys see that yet? And they're having like all the famous YouTubers and all that. Did you guys see that on television, on real TV? You see that? Oh, that's photoshopped. That's what they're gonna say, dude. Listen to that. I did that. Oh, that's Photoshop. Thanks, man. Great job. Yeah. So beautiful. Guys in my room making multiple moves right there. 148 on that account right there. Represents a nice percentage gain. And a percentage gain right there on account A, account B. Add them together. You got a nice combination. But either way, guys, if you make 0.5% to 1% on your money every day, like we want to accomplish, that's 20% a month. Brothers, do the math, man. And when you're trading $80,000, that's $16,000 of profit for the month. Or $8,000 at 0.5%. Do the math, boys. Do the math. You know what dude, you know what I'm saying?
Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes. Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an F. Yeah!
That's what I'm saying, baby. Let's head down the list and find some other really big losers, dude. Come on. BLCM, that was my swing pick. It's too small. Tipic, never heard of it. $16 down $5, dude. I don't like it. It's got a 1 cent range. What the hell is it going to do? Maybe it was 1640 by 1662. Under the hood, I'm looking. This thing would have potential to run. But right now, it's got potential to do snot. That's what I'm talking about. Get that off the plate. Let's look at the next one. ALNA, 280, down $3. Get it off my plate, please. Arcadia, such as worse, down $1.39, 442 by 3. Give me a 442 by 463 and let them buy the ask. I'll jump in all over. It'll run 40 cents. How do I know that? I know how the carburation happens under the hood on Arcadia. Some other people may think, oh my gosh, Arcadia, it's going to go. That's their opinion on it. It's like, there you go. So that crap. Let's look at Airy. 1839 by 41. No spread, no rip, no dip. Trip, no rip, no dip. 32 by 3201, even though it's down $8. Tight, too tight. Fossil, 10 by 1001. No thank you. TNXP in the loser column now. I told you that thing with $3.05 earlier, where I saw it last night. May have been the sale on that sucker, guys. You got to be careful. Got to be careful. When those things present themselves, you got to jump all over them. Upwork, UPWK, 1235 down $2. That one's a little more interesting. Got a nice movement on the 5 minute. Nope. It's a snail-like pace. Don't like that one either today. Vivo, $8. Don't like it. Not expensive enough. An AGRX, piece of crap. That was our swing pick. So I went through every loser, and I don't even like them. Only one I like is EXPE, and that was picked out by Pro Trader Ramey. And there it is at 130. We picked it right off the bottom, under 100, setting new highs for us in the Mojo room. That's what I'm saying, boys. Saying. So, yeah, do you ever see that show on the TV, man, that has the streamers? Good trading, man. It's the TV show with the YouTube streamers. Did you ever see that, Ramey? Did you ever see that? You know what I'm talking about? What's his name's in it? You know, the YouTuber who makes the Roblox. It's a television show. With YouTube streamers. It's like the new thing, man. It's called Digital Trends, I think. 140. 140. What is? What does that mean? Let's catch the big red on Roku. Oh, you guys. There you go. 1808. Did you catch it at 3? I didn't even know it dropped down there. Oh, it's a good buy, dude, off that 3 if you got that there. Oh, dude, super buy. 1802 by 7. Jeez, these guys are good in my room, man. Look at NXTC at 77. Guys had 100 shares of NXTC this morning, guys. 100 shares of NXTC at 67 this morning, I think it was. Up 10 points on NXTC. You see that? Absolutely. CLVS, nah, that did nothing. EXPE, beautiful move. You guys, nice job off that 803. It's going to head back to 20 now because it probably touched 11. See what else we got. I want to find that TV show. What's that guy's name? PewDiePie. 1820. 1820. Nice move there, Mike. Pro Trader Batman. Where is that? PewDiePie, his name is. PewDiePie. Oh, that's P. Diddy. Who Diddy? Yeah, I don't think he's on it. Another guy with the purple hair was on it. Top 5 YouTubers. Where is he? Justin Bieber, PewDiePie. He does Roblox. 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 Dan DDM. That's him. Dan. So Dan DTM on television show. Because that's how I saw him on the show. Original series that combines live action and animation. Right here. This is it. Dan DTM, Common Sense Media. Creates a big. No, this is not it. He's like in some TV show. Not Dan DDM. But that's him, Dan. I'm in a TV show. Look, he does these commercials now.
Just like you were too busy to invest in
trading.
Bitcoin or Ethereum. You want to see busy? I got a bunch of kids fighting over a fire truck here, but I still take advantage of investment opportunities. With eToro, you just pick a coin and trade.
I should be like, he should come into my room and be like, dude, let me show you in the MOJO room. Ching, ching, Mike just put out Roku. Look, I pressed buy. Look, Mike just said Roku, sell. Oh my gosh, I just made money on Roku.
I have massive news. First off, this video is an ad made in partnership with Activision, but for a very good reason. Guys, I am in a TV show on Netflix. How cool is that? And the show that I'm in is called Skylanders Academy, which is out on Netflix right now. So my character...
He had 5.6 million views on this thing. Is that unbelievable? He has 22 million subscribers. Isn't that unbelievable, dude? This kid.
Is called
with the blue hair.
I'll throw some clips up on the screen right now. He is a banana head. I have my very own custom Skylander. Look at this guy. He looks exactly like he does in the TV show. You can change the look of him. Let's go and change his head, for example. So we've got the banana one, of course. So you can actually create Psy inside your Skylanders game, which is awesome. But then you can also have these massive array of different heads as well. Look at...
It's amazing, dude, huh? There's his ad. That's how he gets paid.
Him a lot, and he is a sensei in the quick shot ability.
There's his ad, Ross.
All our imaginators can now reach
level
7s.
Here's Ross's ad. See that? He's on every page, dude. Ross.
Which is awesome. There he is. Gunslinging it. It's fun. So you walk sensei. This is crisp over. This MOJO is out right now. Go and check it out. But I want to play as Psy, and thanks to Activision, I now have my very...
He has to clean his nose. He's got bugs in his nose. See him?
Very own custom Sky.
See? Right here? Got some bugs in his nose, man. He should be like... Made for all the money he makes? Damn. So yeah, DTM, but it's on show. What show? The Skylanders Academy right here. But that's not the show I was looking for. Nice, he's in that. It's a show on TV I see on Saturdays or something with the kid. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Roku came down. And you guys came down. I'll take you guys again. 1803 stopping station again. Taking candy from a baby. What else is going on? Let's look on the gainers list, man. See big losers. Show you over here. Let's go over to watch lists. Screeners right here. You got 50 matches for all these top gainers, small cap gainers. 50 of them today. We want losers, dude. Equity screener. Region United States, we want market cap, mid cap, large cap, 3,000 results. Price interday equals less than. I have no idea how to do that. Let's see, price interday less than. How about more than 25 bucks? 2,000 stocks. Find stocks. There you go. Look at all of them. And then we could sort. So let's sort it by volume. Biggest one is Uber up there. So you got these top ones right here. We can book losers. Percentage change. This one's Expedia and Trip. See, here's your top. These are what we're going to be trading now. These will be the movers. Look. All through the Heinzers on the way back up. All of these are good. Look, every one of them except. Let's see. So this one is good. 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 No good. No good. No good. This one's okay. No good. No good. So those are your good ones right there. See how I did that? Quick little sort screener on get out them big losers. Do the other change around. This will be the gainers. Dexcom up 43 points. DXCM. Let's take a look at that. DXCM is $196. Up 43 points. And it's come in 5 minutes from 200 to 196. Let's see what it was earlier. It went up in the beginning of the day from 183 to 200. That was a big move in the beginning of the day. That's pretty much it. What else we got going on? CLVS doesn't do nothing. Uber. Nothing's hot and what's not. Nothing, guys. You know, when things are up, you got to adapt to the change and get it. Look, see earlier, this is Teva. We traded it this morning. We traded it up until 9, and we sold it through 9. And ever since then, after that first bar, it touched it once again, just one other time. Right here, it touched it once again and went through one. But now look at it. See, now you lost everything trying to trade it again. And now look at it, down at 80. So now you're really hurting in it. See what I'm saying? So you got to adapt to the change. Take what it gives you. You got to be quick and nimble. Allen made like a dime 30 times this morning, and he's gone. You make a dime 30 times, dude, that's $3 in gains. $3 in gains on 1,000 shares average or 500 shares average is $1,500 to $3,000 for the day. And that's the name of the game. The name of the game. You can lose $100 3 times, and you can make $100 7 times. You're up 400. You know what I'm saying? Here's your another 20 cents for you on freaking you guys, dude. You're clipping it like a champion now. Jeez. NXTC was a great pick today. Let me show you where we picked NXTC, guys. Come in the Mojo room. You can come up here. On the top, there's a search bar, and just type in NXTC and hit enter. And you'll see where Mojo picked it. Look, let's go back at 939. He's doing well on 100 shares today. today, let's go right here, 66. So NXT at 934. I liked it at 66. And it went 74, 77, from 69 to 72 to 73. NXT doing well on 100 shares. Then it went 76. Then he said, wow, right there at 1030. And then that was it right here. NXTC may bounce here. That was yesterday and go 66, 67, 68, and 69. Now it's 77. You know what I'm saying? And nothing else is going on. Slow in the afternoons. We got wave theory happening. You guys know what wave theory is? I teach it in MOJO University. It's definitely something you need to know. So you've learned NITSO, what a NITSO is on this show today. You're going to learn what wave theory is on this show today. Let's learn what wave theory is, shall we? Wave theory, according to MOJO wave theory, a stock will move in waves like a tsunami, from the largest at first to subsequent smaller waves moving forward. Scalp $1 the first time around on the trade, 50 cents the second time, followed by 25 cents the third, and 15 cents the last. Then you can't trade it anymore. That's the professor right there. Wave theory, what part of the day is the best for trading? You've got MOJO with 5,000 in profits, done by 10:30, and whoever else is trading, us against the guest. We're in the second quarter. They've made $500 in profits. So we've 10-1 the guests in what we got going on for the trading. So the best time of the day is, what is wave theory? Wave theory is the best time of the day to trade. We want to be done by the third wave and not overtrade. It racks up commissions, but no longer, because most of the people's commissions are free, except for guys like myself that trade with prop firms. Those commissions still aren't free yet. And anyway, it's been journaled that 90% of the time, if you continue to trade after the day's goals have been met, you'll not only give back all the profits, but go negative for the day. So how do I break down the waves? What waves are the best to trade in, and what waves are the worst to trade in? The first wave is 9:30 to 11. The second wave is 11 to 1. The third wave is 1 to 3. And the fourth wave is 3 to 4 to close. Which ones are you able to trade? Which ones are the best and which ones aren't? You learn that in MOJO University, and you become yourself a pro trader that understands timing of the day, position sizing of the day, what time of the day is the most crowded at the tables in the casino, what time of the day isn't the most crowded, and you don't want to take out your big wad. But then when all the fish come in, let's say at night or whatever, it's not the same as 1 o'clock, then you do that. You take out the big wad. And then you win a lot more. So let's see what EXP is doing. Let's see what some of the other stocks are doing, shall we? Let's head back over to the main screen. So we got EXP's 99.20. It dipped back down after the last trade over 100, and it may be a good buy back down here of 99.27.22 stopping station with a touch of 18 and a flash under the low of 99. It may bounce off that again, because last time it was there, it had a huge, huge, huge number. And as soon as I say it, bam, there it goes again. It's just what MOJO does. I've got a lot of big traders, funds, bankers, mutual funds in the room that could throw in 50 and 100,000 shares of an EXPE, 10,000 shares of an EXPE, 5,000 shares of an EXPE at a market order, and just buy it and sit back and start watching. That's what MOJO does. How MOJO does it. So let's start here on the bottom. CLVS. It's done really nothing since I've mentioned it at the beginning of the show. Bingo. I'm so glad I stayed away from it and kept my whole room away from it. 4 years ago, since my room has been open since 2012, 7 years, I would say in my first 2 or 3 years of having the room, I would not have known to get away from BNGO or Arcadia or PCG or MDR, any of these small shitty ones that you may get stuck in, you're in it all day. It ruins the entire day. You got to come back the next day, and then you're all nervous about pressing the buttons, and you're a shitty trader, and you always question yourself on what you got going on, how you're doing it, and why is everyone else making money when I'm not? It seems so easy, but yet it's so hard. He's doing it, I'm not doing it. How come Mike's making money on you guys and I'm not? And all these factors and situations, folks, because you have no system, you have no clarity. It's called social cognitive theory for trading. Let me explain. You see my screen? Imagine not knowing about trading. You see how many numbers and blinking things are all over the damn. Where do I look? What do I do? What button do I press? Am I making a mistake? He's doing it this way. This news is flashing that way. All these bells and whistles are freaking confusing the hell out of me. It's cluttering my mind, making me more fearful to go in and press the button with no emotion. So how the hell do you figure that out and get rid of that? Through learning about social cognitive theory, selective attention, and positive expectancy, clearing the mind of the clutter, focusing on one thing on the screen, just one, or maybe two out of the 80, focusing in on those one or two, playing the system because it's set up and present itself over the other 90 things that you looked at before those two things presented themselves. Then you go and you execute with positive expectancy on that trade and you win through the Heinz. It's green on the day. It's got good volume, and it's at the 90-cent number right under the even number. And it's going to move slow like a brand new bottle of ketchup, like the Heinz does. Thick ketchup in the bottle. So you open up the bottle, it's brand new, goes like that. And then you're like, damn, this thing's 90, man. 80, 90, 70, 90, 15, 90. You're like, it's not really moving. And you just tap an entry position of 100 shares on it. Let's say I want to buy 1,000 shares as my goal. Then when it gets to 95 cents, you got to tap the bottle again because it's looking like you need the ketchup on your food. So in order to get it out over the rim, you got to hit it twice. And because it's moved a little bit from 90 where it was flat, now you've turned it over and you've tapped it and it's moving towards the rim. You want to tap it again at 95 and you add 200 shares. Now you're long 300. Once it goes 96, get ready, lock and load, right? Then it goes 97, 98, bam, 700 shares. All of a sudden you like hit the back of the bottle, bam, 700. That ketchup's going to go, whoom, right out over the rim. It's going to fly all over the place. And if it's a really liquid volume stock, the ketchup's going to be hot coming out. It's going to go all over the place. If it's thick and not so volume crazy, it's going to ooze out nice and slow, nice and easy. And that's the Heinz trade play. I've been doing it for so long. I call it the perfect trading system right now, which I teach in my new upcoming live of what I got going on. Right? And then I got this, the Heinz trade play, just exactly as I explained to you what it is. Guys, we got a big move on you guys happening, Mike. I don't know if you're looking at this, brother, but it's 8:30 right now. 8:30. I bought some down there with you. I'm going to sell 1,500 right here. Sold 1,500 at the 23. I bought some down there with you too, brother. I was waiting for it to make its move. Did a nice move, Chang. Nicely done. I think I'll sell another one at 24. Sold 24. 24. Sold at 24. Beautiful. Roku 121 Heinzen. You waiting for 120 is a good wait. You can wait. Follow the signals. It may not go there. You may miss it for like a freaking dollar, and it may run 5 again. You know what I'm saying? Got 2,000 you guys left doing real nice. Batman 30-31. Batman 31 sold a little at 31, doing really nice. 1,000 left of you guys right there. Beautiful. Wow. I said wow. It means it may go higher. Bam. Batman's making a lot of money in the Mojo room, dude. It dips 3 cents. You just got to squeeze your ass, close your eyes, and wait 5 seconds. It goes right back up. Isn't it unbelievable? Same thing with Roku and all these other ones. Batman's making a lot of money in the Mojo room. Yeah, fast move, and that's why we buy on the dip and sell the freaking rip. Makes it a lot easier, doesn't it? Yeah. Scaling in is the key. That's how this guy, beginning trader, has changed his whole game, guys. I'm helping a lot of YouTube traders, guys, with my experiment trading for 25 years. So I get to help a lot of YouTube traders that wouldn't have the capabilities to know these systems and how to correctly do it. They pick on little ching-changs of the Mojo action. Let me show you this one guy. This guy, beginner. I watch him. He's good. I like him. See the beginner trader guy. Right here. This guy right here. See? I think this is him.
Okay, so if you've been following the...
So right here, look. No losing days. His new system. Look.
Let me guess. You're too busy to watch this ad.
So guys, you tell me if he's not watching the Mojo, okay? You watch. You tell me, okay? Watch.
Just like you were too busy to...
Okay, so my trading has gone pretty solid this past week. I actually had no losing days total, which is 100% daily accuracy. And I've been building this new system, and it's been going pretty well, like I said. And so make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Guys, he started this new system on November 3rd. Okay? Listen, and you tell me if he's taking the Mojo classes on YouTube. Listen.
It's still a work in progress, but in this video, we're really breaking it down.
He's a beginner trader. I appreciate it.
Okay, so like I said in the intro to this video, I've been working on a new system that really revolves around a few different things. The first one is starting to scale into my position a little bit earlier, just in case the stock follows through earlier than expected.
What is that called? Anticipation of the Heinz trade play with scaling in, just like I exactly told you? Holy crap!
That way, I'm still holding a small position to take advantage of and possibly profit from, and if it continues to move up or down closer to my preferred entry, I can scale in with much larger size and take a larger swing in that trade. The big key to this new system, though, is keeping my risk at the same spot and not really changing it once I get into the trade. As traders, it's...
See that, guys? How does that... Doesn't that sound familiar? Man, doesn't that sound familiar? Oh, you guys, 40. I got executed. Got 1,000 left, guy. 500. Sold right there. 1840, Batman. I just sold. I got 1,000 left. You took... I know you should follow the Mojo. I told you I had 1,000 left. I was in with you from 1803. It's 1840. Well, you got 1,000 left. Staying with the Mojo. It's in rail grind. Follow the rail grind. You know about rail grind. Right here, check it out. We took up the chairlift into rail grind, and you got your goggles on. It's 1850, selling 300 more right here. Got 500. Selling 200 at 49. Sold 200 at 49. 100 shares of EXP left on for the day. Beautiful. 51.52 on you guys now. 300 left. Did great trading on you guys. Had like 4,000 shares at 1803. Made good money on that trade. That was good, dude. Got 300 left. I like that. I don't got no Roku. That was nice. EXP making an end of the day move through 99.50. I'll take 100 of those. Right here at 99.44, right? We take 100 of those. Why not, right? Let's check out you guys. 1851, 300 left. I sell 200 right here at 50. No problem. And we'll change it. Done. I get filled. There you go. 351. Done. See, there it is. Where is it? Oh, it just went by. There it is. Oh, Somewhere in there. Nice job on that trade. Now, what else we got going on? NXTC easily may make a run high at the end of the day. Easily may make a run high at the end of the day. Absolutely. Nice. Hope you like my videos, guys. Hope you like my channel. 100 shares of EXP left done for the day. Nice. Dude, so I had a major television broadcasting station contact me, bro, to be one of the top YouTube streamers in this new program that's going to be unbelievably huge for trading, dude. Can you believe that? I knew it would happen. I got to contact my agent. Dude. Major television broadcasting contacting the Moj. One puts me on it, make me the next Kramer. What do you think about that, dude? I'm the next Kramer. They want to take off Kramer, throw in the Mojo. Right?
Yes.
Yes!
I could do the buttons better than Kramer.
Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Sorry, Kramer. Sorry, Kramer. 99.80, guys. EXPE making the run. I got 100 there. I get another 100 there. Now I got 200. Nice. EXPE making the end of the day. Runski. It's not the end of the day, though. Shit. Thought it was the end of the day. Do I got any you guys left? No you guys left, boys. You guys done. Mike's. PCG looking good. CGC looking bad. DGC looking okay. I tried to pick out the C's, but I couldn't get too many of them, baby. What's that you guys at? 1820? Let's get that down on the dipstone again. What'd I sell that thing at 50? Didn't I sell it at 50? Didn't I sell it at 50? Think so. Look at Arcadia. Piece of crap ass, dude. Snag down nothing. We ain't touching it like a 10-foot pole, baby. Dude, let's get in on that. You guys got 1,000 you guys again. Going to sell it up at 34 again. 34, selling you guys. So 34, sell. There you go. 34. 34, they ripped it right there for a second, but it came on right back down. You know what I'm saying? That SLS from this morning ticked up real nice, dude, all day long. SLS at 134 may go up tomorrow on 15 million. Cella Sciences, maybe a little swing pick for you. You guys like them little ones. Sweepy, Mike D, and you other guys. You like them little jittles, man. SLS. Got it at 17, 18 last time. Sold it for a $60 loss. It's at 13 now. Well due for a nice 20% rebound. That's what I'm talking about. That's SLS. You showed me that one, Hans. SLS, 13. 13 on the SL. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. All right, we're back in you gasms. Get back to the main screen. What do I got? And you got 2,500 you guys. Where's my thing? Oh, let me get out my thing. Hold on a second. Here. I'm sorry, folks. I wasn't looking at the screen. Here's my you guys trades. Right here, I bought it selling at 34. You could see right here, sold 42, bought 28, 26. I'll go through my trades with you. Let me just sell right here a little bit more. Sold 500 at 44. 500 left. So I'll show you some trades here. Look. So you guys, this is from we trading in the room. Got it down as low as 18. Right here is 18.20. 18.13. So right here, 18.20. Bought 18.20. 18.20. Sold 18.31.39. Selling here again. Sold again. Bought 18.24. Sold 18.39. Bought 18.35. Sold 18.39. 40.41. Bought you guys at 18.34. 18.37. 39.33. Sold 23 and 24 for a loss. Profit. So some for a loss, some for a gain. Then EXPE 99.47. EXPE added 99.69. Sold you guys at 51. Bought it back at 26, 30, 26, and 28. Sold it at 34, 42, 44, and 47. And now, boom, 49. There you go, just like that. Those are the trades. Let me see if I can keep this on top. Always on top. See that? So now this won't disappear, won't go down. It'll just stay right above. That's what I wanted to put up there. So you can see the trades as they go by. There's the time, the symbol, buy or sell, the price, and the quantity. So EXPE, I have 200 shares that I got at 99.47. GNC, you like GNC? 317, it's too small, I don't like it, not enough volume, pass. Give me another good one. SLS reverse split takes effect. You definitely want to buy that then again here. Before the reverse split. Guys, are you serious? We should do some today and some tomorrow on SLS. Let me take a look at it in the database, okay? If you guys don't mind. You guys mind if I take a look at it in the database and see if it's in there? Look, watch my screen. This is the database. I don't even know if it's in there, but if it is, let's take a look. GLBS is SLS. It is Celis Life Sciences, guys. It's going to do a reverse split, and they're doing increased earnings estimates. It's going out as a swing pick now. Thanks for the teamwork. So earnings are coming out right here. So Celis Life Sciences right here. You guys got a free swing pick. Who's ever's watching my show right now. Going out to my members. This is what I like in this chart right here. You'll see the circles. I like 15 million in volume, up 107%. Average is 9 million. It's got a large float, but that's going to reduce on the split. And look at the earnings in crazy from a loss of 10 to 3 to 14 cents to 5. Earnings due on here. Used to be up at $1 in here. And on these split bases, let me show you. So you have right here on this split basis, you have here and here on a split basis of 1 to 10 is a $10 stock. So if it reverses up and this goes to $1.30 and or $2.60 and or $5.20, whatever kind of reverse split it is, it has a gap to fill to 10. See that? And this right here is going to go to hopefully 2.26 million and be a small float ripper, and it'll do the 10, reduce it by 100. So this will go from 13 cents to $13 maybe even. That would be sick. And this would be a 2 million float. Well, they could do a lot with this particular one, and I like it. So I'm going to send out the video along with this chart to the swing, and hopefully they'll understand it of what I got going on, and that's SLS. And let me just make sure that they're doing a reverse. You know what I'm saying? EXPE doing well. Got 100 EXPE. Going to sell 100 right here at 80. Damn, had it at 80. Selling 75, 100. All right, on the ask at 75. Selling 75. Going to hit the market and cancel the other order. Done. Canvas sold, hit the market at the 70, sold at 70, now it's 62 bid. Did good there on that one. Still got 100 left. What else we got going on? You guys is 55, doing good. EXPE again, so that's that one. This was my chart on Celis right here. Did really good on that. Nice little chart on Celis. Can't get the right screen over. Here we go. That's working beautiful right there. What else we got going on? Thanks, Bohan. Appreciate it. Thanks for listening. You know I love that. Pro Trader Bohan, been with me 6 years, folks. Thanks for the good words. Appreciate it. Try to walk my guys, totally through. Let me show you what I do with the team. I just take the team and I line them up one by one. One by one. They stand. I'm first, and I show them how to do it, and then they all follow through. It's exactly like this. Check it out. Where is it? Right here. It's exactly like this. I stand it up. We go hit. There you go. Exactly like that. See, look. There you go. Everyone's making money. Just sold some at 75. Look. Trade went off at 75. Sold 100 at 75. Bought it at 47. See that? Bought at 47. Sold at 75. Bought at 69. Sold 75. Ain't much, but it's money.
Yes! Yeah, baby! Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. What else we got going on? What else we got going on? Huh? We're going to go through 100 on Expedia. Screen share? No, I'm on YouTube. I'm on that tube. Yeah, absolutely. On the tube stones. Looking for a signal on EXPE up top. I'm hoping it's coming up over 100 right now. We're going to get a rip. Roku's down under 120, guys. Look. We got 88 now on EXPE. Look at Roku, 120 getting ripped and crushed from 128. I think we take some Roku down here, 50 shares at 120 stopping station. You know what I'm saying? 99.80 on the other. 99.80, guys. EXP is going to take 100. Yep, I think it will. Hoping it will. Roku bought off the bottom right there, guys, at 120.31. 90 on EXPE. 90 on EXPE. 95, 97. There's the signal. There's 100, guys. Get ready. Long 800, selling 200 on the rip through. 200 on the rip through. 95. Here's the 100. Here's the 100. 99. I sold 200 by accident. Damn, I pressed too early. It's all right. Wait a second. 97. $120.50 selling Roku. Sold Roku 120.52 from 120.31. Here goes EXP through 100. Through 100. Ripped 100. EXP. Heinz the 100. Heinz the 100. EXPE, Heinz the 100. Nice job. Roku 121. Roku 121. Good job. Roku 121. 121. Good job. Nice trading, guys. So SLS, yeah, I got to send out the swing. I got to make sure the news is a reverse split. Hold on. SLS announces a reverse split right here. A 50. Yep. All right. So yeah, so let's check out this one right here. I'll take the news announcement. I'm going to send out the newsletter to everyone for the swing. I think it's worth a small risk, high reward. Do a little bit now before and a little bit when it opens, right? Does the split. A lot of them make a big move in that little split action. I'm going to send out this newsletter to all my peeps. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So I'm going to saying swing trading newsletter with a video. Today is November 7th, Thursday. Do for reverse split. Stocks typically can move 100% on this type of announcement as the float goes to tiny. You know what I'm saying? Here's the news. Put out the news on it. Let's put out today's video so they could see the video. Let's see, the video is right here. In today's show, I talked about stock. Check it out. There's the news on it. Stock news on what's the symbol? SLS. Open. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so there's the news on it. There's a newsletter. Video 11/7. Mojo swing trip, new pick. SLS. 13 cents. You take a picture of it. Where is it? Down here on the bottom. 13.3. I'll put it in a level 2 shot of it so you guys see that. There's a 570. Look at 135. Okay, that works, man. That's a good newsletter. Sent only to swing. Done. Message is sent, bros. Dude, that message is out. I think that's a good possibility, sweeperini. Oh, we got 100 on EXPE. Got 100. I think I got some sales in at 100, don't I? Put one in at 100. 200 shares at 100. 100.09. Another 100. There you go. What do we got? Roku down here at 119. I like Roku. 119.07. Execute down here. 119.07. See that? Waiting for the dip. Now you get the rip. Come on down, baby. They're trying. They're trying. All right, here they go back up. There goes Roku. 119.30. I'm going to sell up 119.50. We'll go 119.40. Would I buy that other one? 119.20 and 14? Yeah, we'll sell it 119.40. Right here with the 73. Getting sold right there. 38, 39, 40. Busting. It's trying to. I sent out that newsletter, guys. How you guys doing in the room? Oh, Matty changed his... No, he didn't change his profile pic. Damn. Pro Trader Terrific's here. Batman's gone for the day. Flies here. JC. Matt. Homer. Peter. Quads is here. Just sent out that pic, Quads, on the swing. How do we change the pic? I'll show you. In the bottom right-hand corner, under your picture, see my picture? Look on YouTube. Right here. See that? On YouTube, under my name. This right here, click this gear and it'll open up, and then you can change your image with something from your files from your computer. Yeah. That's what that's got going on. What else you guys got going on? This. That other stock before. Oh, what else we got? Yeah, sold some Roku at 119.40. EXP was that one at 99.50. I like Roku, I like EXP, I like both of them stocks. I like the beat up ones. So yeah, let me see what you're gonna change your avatar to. What's your hobby? I'll give you an avatar you could change it to. I'll hook you up. Can't get a good pick. All right, here goes Roku. Come on now, give me a nice one, Roku. I just bought some at 34 and 21 at 70. Just sold some at 68. Right there, 25 shares. I just sold some at 69. Right there, 15. EXPE is moving. I got 800 EXPE at cheap. 99.70 down here. So 400 at 84. Right here, selling a little bit at 84. And then the rest higher. Right there on the ask. I'll easily be taken. Here's Roku right here. Got 10 Roku left. Selling Roku. Oh my god, I got the worst fill. It's supposed to be 80. Just put it out there and not fool around. Here's Roku, Expedia 74. Bought it. Nah. SLS I would though. Not EXPA. Yeah, so if you like how I adapt to change, guys, changing and making moves with the team, give me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe. Google appreciates the power I've got putting into my videos and that I make them. And the more you like them, the better I do. And Google likes me. If you like me, Google says you like me, other people will like me, and they'll put up my videos and show everyone what I do, and that would help me out. So thumbs up on the video when it ends, and I end the video. You can see other videos and check out those shows. I have the most day trading videos out of anyone on YouTube. I've made over 1,700 shows since 2012. You could sort by the oldest video, and you could check that out. It's really cool. No, we don't swing EXPE in tomorrow. Just like Roku, you wouldn't swing that one into tomorrow. There goes Roku. 119.87 now. 119.90. 120, there it goes. Sold. 120.03, just Heinz. There we go. Heinz. Roku, 120. Nice job. Good work. All right, what do I got? I have EXPE now. Let's see if that makes a run up, right? There we go. Add 50 more shares onto that, guys, on EXP. How the hell do people watch you and not join is absolutely incredible. I know. I don't know. I don't know. They would rather not join for some spite reason or something like that, I think, than to make money for themselves. It's more important. Something else. I don't know what the deal is. But if I watch 10 of my videos and I back check the trades to the accuracy, I'd be like, dude, there's nowhere else I'm going. Every time that guy says something, I'm going to freaking buy. And I'll be able to try to buy 1,000 shares of anything up to $50,000 worth. Roku, I'd be trading 300 shares all day long. CTL, let me check it out for you, bro. $14.95. CenturyLink. Yeah, it's very tight. I'd rather get more of a mover and a shaker, not a creeper and a deeper. I'd rather get a JDST or, yeah, I don't like it. Let's stick to the movers and the shakers. Signal. No, I don't want. Yeah, some you just have to fold, man. Ace King looks good too, but when 3 people raise Ramey, it's not that good. I was at lunch, and Jennifer Tilly had Queen. She 3 times it. One guy 4 times better. He 4 times her. She bet 1,200. She bet 1,200. He raised 3,500. She raised 12,000. He raised 61,000, and she folded queens. He had ace. Just a bad opportunity at a bad time. At least she had the wherewithal to fold and not push and think, oh, hers was the best when there was something better. If someone's pushing on top of you and there's a hand better, you got to give them the respect that they got it. Especially after you 3-bet on pre-flop. They 4-bet you. You're like, dude, okay. I mean, if I had kings, I'd think about folding because I would think you have pocket aces. So kings or queens is no different. No, we're not playing bingo. Told you again. How many times are you going to ask about bingo today? Luckily, I saved you on bingo since 1:30, 1:40. I've been saving you all day from bingo. Since 1:40, I've been saying no. I mean, that's unbelievable. Yeah, I mean, I've been saying it all day. Only people that like bingo are people that traded it, lost, and/or are still stuck in it. How do I know that? Because that used to be me. Yep. All right, guys, I'm tired, man. You're welcome. I'm tired. I think I'm going to turn it off and shut it down for the day. I'm no way can I stay on another hour. The markets are just mentally wearing, crazily weird, bad, boom, mama shaka, boom, 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 boom. And that's about it. So I really want to thank everyone for watching my show, hanging out with me and my traders in the room. I don't got 350 traders. I have 35 traders and 3 moderators that help out. So if you like the action, you want to be one of the tightness in the group that makes consistent money every day, you'll watch a couple of my videos. You'll go to my website, become a member at mojodaytrading.com, and I'll see you in the chat room. Until then, guys, I got to say, peace. Keep it profitable. See you on the next show. Later.